Welcome to Cooking World. We are here with another video in a new combination of pomegranate and beetroot juice. Contents: 1 full pomegranate, rock salt, sugar, half beetroot. Beetroot has to be washed and cleaned to avoid soil. Then cut the beetroot into half. Now make the half beetroot into small cubes, as grinding a thick beetroot can be tedious task. Next, cut pomegranate. Now add pomegranate to mixer. Add a pinch of rock salt. Next add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Next add a glass of water. Add another glass of water for dilution. Filter it thoroughly into a bowl. Subscribe to Cooking World channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification. Bright red colored pomegranate beetroot juice is ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe to Cooking World channel.